Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting video. Today I will show you a simple trick to get IAsk.AI for free. Yes, absolutely for 1 year. As you know that IAsk AI is very powerful tool that provide advanced AI-driven assistant helping user with research, content creation and problem solving across various domain. So let's get started before it is too late. First, open the browser. I'm using Brave browser. And then we can see student get 1 year of IAS AI free. Sign up with email.edu email. Okay, now click IAS Pro. We can see the feature. So now we can see the feature of IAS Pro. Everything IAS is free, so you can see. Okay, so you can read this .edu or AC email to unlock. Okay, now click sign up. Now we need to create a temporary email address. So open a new tab and search for temple mail. Okay, you can try follow me. Oh no, I forgot. .edu. Okay. As we can see in the username box, you can enter any username that you like. Okay, so now I'm trying to use my username. Chai take. Okay, now verify your captcha and create your email. So create your email. As you can see, it provide you an email so you can copy and go to IAS.AI page and enter your username and your email and type the password that you want. Okay, create account. So verify your email. Can go to temple mail. Okay, let's verify and click confirm. Okay, confirm account. In the final, now you have the pros and of IAS AI for free for 1 year. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave any comment that you like to see in the next video. Thanks you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Okay, goodbye.